This afternoon, SSM Health is cutting its level 2 trauma services at DePaul Hospital in September, leaving North St. Louis County without a hospital to treat urgent severe injuries. Hospital officials say the low number of cases like severe car crashes and gunshot wounds actually forced the change here. That means patients will now have longer ambulance rides to hospitals that are more capable of handling those types of cases. But the emergency room will remain open, and DePaul Hospital still has a level 1 designation for treating strokes and heart attacks, so that will not change. A statement from SSM Health reads in part, quote, "Trauma care is a highly specialized service, and medical best practice shows we must treat a minimum number of patients to maintain the level of experience, training, and equipment a trauma program requires. Yet only a very small percentage of individuals treated in our emergency room each year require trauma services." And News 4 did some checking for you. Level 1 trauma centers are set up to handle the most difficult emergency cases, and the St. Louis area has 4 of them: Barnes Jewish, SSM Health St. Louis University Hospital, Mercy Hospital, and SSM Cardinal Glennon Children's. They are a level 1 trauma unit for pediatric cases. Checking level 2 units, there's Mercy Hospital, SSM Health St. Joseph, St. Charles, SSM Health St. Joseph as well there, as we mentioned, Wentzville, and Mercy Hospital, Washington. There are even more, though, level 3 and level 4 hospitals in the region.